It's gonna go through the stratosphere. The man who arrives first, Rodrigo De Paul. And we can see the visuals. Luis Suarez, El Pistolero is up next. Tears of joy, feelings deluging Tilotoma once again.
Absolutely incredible scenes. The great man Leo Messi has arrived. That famous logo of his as well on his chest. All smiles. He's basking in all the glory at the Salt Lake Stadium. What a moment.
लियो मेसी उनके डायना पे हैं जो रोड्रिगो डी पॉल, उन्होंने गए हैं अभी इंटर मियामी में खेलने के लिए और लियो मेसी के बहुत ही करीब के दोस्त लुइस सुआरेज उन्होंने मेंशन की एल पिस्टोलेरो, उनको कहे जाते हैं द गन मैन, एंड व्हाट नंबर ऑफ गोल्स ही स्कोर्ड, व्हाट इनक्रेडिबल गोल्स, leave besides his on-field antics and maybe a little bit of off-field activities, but they are all greats. But the greatest is also here. सारी स्टेडियम, सारी निगाहें हमारी अब हैं लियो मेसी के ऊपर.
Yes, a couple of World Cup champions there, Rodrigo De Paul and Leo Messi is already waving to the crowd. Five-time La Liga champion Luis Suarez, Copa America champion as well, but three of them most recently MLS Cup champions coming all the way from Inter Miami. What a grand occasion this is, and they have been in sold out stadiums. They have played World Cup finals, Copa America finals, Champions League finals, but still I'm sure they will be feeling the electricity here at the Salt Lake Stadium.
Liv, I'm pretty sure if you were sitting in the International Space Station today, this row will possibly reach that. Believe me, Kolkata has had the record before. We talked about derbies, but this is something different. Something from a different dimension where gods and monsters.
Many of them in tears. Such an emotional moment. So attached are the Indian faithful, the Kolkata faithful to the great man and to the game of football itself. You saw a quick celebration there. Somebody just got an autograph of Messi and goes on celebrating like they've scored a goal.
लियो मेसी के संग में रोड्रिगो डी पॉल और लुइस सुआरेज भी है, और ये पश्चिम बंगाल की जो क्रीड़ा मंत्री जो है अरब विश्वास वो भी घूम रहे हैं, और ये सारे खिलाड़ियों से भी वो परिचित हो रहे हैं. हैंडशेक्स कस्टमरी. ये जो क्षण जो है ये एक खिलाड़ी के लाइफ में, किसी के भी लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा आता नहीं.
In fact, a lot of players don't even get it. It's a once-in-a-lifetime moment. It's like a dream that you see in the wildest of your dreams. It has come true today. And that's why, Liam, you just said, getting an autograph and celebrating it, believe me, that's more to him than possibly winning a World Cup.
We spoke about it, Rohit, yesterday as well. Just being in the same periphery as the great man, as these three great players, it is overwhelming for us as well.
Now the next event would be Rodrigo Javier De Paul and Luis Suarez with Leo Messi. They would play a tiki-taka with the school boys, and that would also be absolute a shot in the arm for the young kids.
Oh, what a grand spectacle that will be. And Messi and Suarez, part of the famous Barcelona side, winning 4 La Ligas together, winning the Champions League as well, part of the famous MSN. And now, a few of the youngsters will get to grace the field with these special superstars.
A moment that comes with so many emotions, I think, which you will not find in the English lexicon. You have to feel it. Feel it with your heart, with your soul, with your own physical presence.
और देखिए इनकी जो प्रभाव ये विश्वमय है. आप दुनिया के कोई भी देश में जाइए, वहाँ पे जो अहम खिलाड़ी होते हैं, जो बहुत स्किलफुल होते हैं, उनको मेसी कहा जाते हैं. सोचिए जैसे जापान में बोलते हैं टाकेफुसा कुबो, इसको Japanese Messi. और चाइना में काफी खिलाड़ियों को बोलते हैं, लेकिन वो नहीं, he's got great skill. The Turkish Messi is of course Arda Güler, the wonder boy right now with the Real Madrid. German Messi, वो सारे वो चैंट कर रहे थे, Messi, Messi, we love you, and the world ever. वो जहां भी जाते हैं सभी एक ही आवाज उठते हैं, वही गूंजते हैं सब, लियो मेसी, we love you.
Most definitely, I think it is unparalleled fans that we've seen here in India and across the world. They've got tattoos, they've got cafes in his name, they've got taxis decorated in his name, they've got absolutely everything. It doesn't end anywhere, does it?
For the ones wondering, in the commentary box as well, we have got a Messi scarf along with us. That's the fandom, guys. That's the fandom.
Would you call Leo Messi the gift of God to the mankind?
Absolutely, that's the most apt way to put it, because it is a gift from God. The way he moves with that football, the way he glides through, and the presence that he possesses, you can feel it in our voices, you can hear it at the Salt Lake Stadium. He is the GOAT, and that is why it's a fitting start to the GOAT tour that it happens here in the Mecca of Indian football.
Absolutely, and I think it might not be showing on his face, but I think in the winter sun of Kolkata, what's going on inside his heart is a whirlwind of emotions, possibly trying to gauge. He knows what Kolkata football fans can be like, and now he's soaking it for a second time, just trying to gauge the emotions, the raw, crude feelings that come with him.
Yeah, to have an absolute packed out house for the great man who's not even playing, he's just come and he might just play a little bit of tiki-taka here and there, just goes to show the fandom and the love that everybody has for him.
Again, the crowd would love to see that ball being juggled with his magic. He's played this Luis Suarez for Ajax Amsterdam, for Liverpool.
The team just a couple of months after that World Cup final loss, you asked about the atmosphere there. They love their football as much as we do. They were absolutely distraught, but they did say that it will come home soon, and they believed in Leo Messi, and he made sure that it took place. Fantastic scenes here at the Salt Lake Stadium. All the phones are out.
And some unknown or lesser known jana pada. Or it was in 2005 against Hungary.
And we speak so much about him being God's gift to football, but as we've mentioned throughout this discussion, it hasn't come easy. There is a lot of hard work that is put to it, of course, a lot of passion. As you said, it doesn't come without the love of the game, and that is why it's so important that I think it's fitting that he has his best friends alongside him, because being a team sport, no matter what individual things you achieve, you've got your best friends alongside you, you've got your teammates alongside you watching your back.
Boyish grin, it still remains. And he is such loved character. Just remember, when he won that
Here in the commentary box, but what a moment to finally witness. Is something surreal.
कहीं मत जाइए, क्योंकि अभी और काफी सारे इवेंट्स बाकी हैं और पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. आपको ये GOAT इंडिया टूर 2025 इसकी लाइव टेलीकास्ट आ रही